Viral at pinag-uusapan ngayon sa mundo ng social media ang umano'y hindi inaasahang clarificatory message ni Kongresista Barbers na umani ng iba't ibang komento sa social media dahil umano ay tila hindi ito nakikinig. Dahil noong tinanong ito ni Justice Committee, Luistro ay hindi pa pala sa NBI. Ang naturang topic agad naman na sinabi ng kongresista na tila nahiya pa sabay sabing, hindi ako. Marami tuloy ang nagdududa na baka scripted ang mga pinaggagawa nila dahil sa isang kamalian lamang na ito.
Honorable Congresswoman Bernadette Barbers from the 2nd District of Surigao del Norte.
Good morning, Madam Chair. May clarificatory question po ako kay
This is for? The question is
NBI?
addressed for. We are not yet on the NBI. We're still on the question of whether to open or not. This box, would you like to be called during the time of the NBI?
yes.
Later. Thank you. On raised clarificatory questions is the Honorable Bernadette Barbers.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Clarificatory question lang po para kay Director Matibag. Good afternoon, Director Matibag.
Good afternoon.
Oo. Kasama din po ba sa video yung tungkol sa pagbibitiw sa tungkulin ni VP Duterte bilang miyembro ng kabinete ni Pangulong Marcos at saka bilang Secretary ng Department of Education at bilang Vice Chair ng NTF-ELCAC or the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict?
Yes, good afternoon. That question, I would like to direct to John Mark Calilong. He was the one who authenticated the videos na dinala namin at sinabit dito.
Secretariat, please play the video.
Okay.
Earlier today, June 19, 2024, I sought an audience with the President and tendered my resignation as the Secretary of Education effective July 19, 2024. I have given my 30-day notice to ensure the proper and orderly transition for the benefit of the next Secretary.
Pangalawang tanong po, yun naman pong video pagkatapos niyan na biglang sinabi niyang hindi na raw siya dadalo sa SONA ni PBBM at ina-appoint niya yung sarili niya bilang designated survivor.
It was considered during our investigation, Your Honor.
Okay.
Did you submit that video also?
Yes, Your Honor.
Secretariat, kindly play the video.
No. No, I will not attend the SONA. I am appointing myself as the designated survivor.
Okay. Yan po yung video. Pinatotohanan niyo ho ba na yan yung inyong inimbestigahan?
Yes, kasama po sa conduct of investigation and an ongoing investigation po.
Okay. Maraming salamat po.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Madam
The
Chair.
Honorable